Alright guys, day 2 in my scheme, Why breeze pick up. Yeah. See it there? The power lines are flash and sitting. Nah go too far, Nah go too far at all. Let's go around in the community a little bit, see what I'm going. It's been like this since yesterday. On and off rains. Winds are blow. I just make sure I hurry up and do this thing and come off the road down because it's not safe at all. Just since we drive out this start going, calm a while ago. Rain pick up again. Alright. So I just want to go on my scheme. Alright guys, see there? Sign up for more. Yeah, my scheme. See what I'm going? Just had a wicked downpour a while ago. The road's basically covered. Light wires have moved up and down. Electricity in and out. So we just hope and pray. So today is Tuesday. Yesterday we tried to go on the road, but rain come down and it kind of didn't start look like this. So we just nobody make a move there again. So I'm gonna watch from inside, Oops, you can pick up back again. And then picking up, carrying rains with it. Pick up again. Okay, all you can stay inside and stay inside there, man. This is pretty much what we've been battling from yesterday, on and off. Tuesday afternoon. It's after 5 now. Winds pick up, but the rains are falling so heavy. Almost a wind back it now. Probably a turn in the evening to take a walk out. Okay guys, if you see what I'm going on the scheme, out on the main road. Check what I'm going. Alright guys, so this is 5:15 Tuesday evening. The rains have somewhat died down, but the wind kick up. Now we feel the breeze. Yes, upon the shots I may post on the channel, look good for the other parts of the country, but for we here, not much in terms of damages. From my neighbor, and if you can see, most of his carport cover gone. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, see there? Most of his carport cover gone. My major concern is the electrical wires.
of the trees. It's getting rough out there.
Anybody in that house?
Oh my god.
I next house the back of this, I see house there long there.
Hey. Bridgeport now, Bridgeport High School, passing there. My friend will live room by Edgewater side, isn't it? So far, nothing to note for Portmore. We're gonna head to Kingston and then we'll see what I'm going on that side. So I'll go Port Henderson, but we got call back road. Data line down. Not major. I think we had a down power pole in a community across from us, so probably that's why we don't have electricity right now. I see a lot of people up on a boat going around doing their business. Actually close to the shoreline in St. Catherine. So like the fishing village and so the Kingston Harbour there. Much of it you can see. But that's Kingston Harbour out in the stretch there. Like something going there, so trying to use the backhoe to clear something there, but most of the fishing huts are the people that sell fish. They are pretty much okay. Their structures are concrete, so they're fine. Guys, on our end, you know, we were spared the brunt of it because the storm kept tracking westward before it made the turn. So when it actually turned, it turned beyond Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Clarendon side there, and made the turn back towards St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James. So that side of the island is pretty much the area that got the brunt of it. I say not much on the shoreline. The storm surges that carry water on the road, but that's pretty much it. So I'm heading towards the shop now. Remember, we did some roof repairs to the shop just before the storm. And let's see how the shop held up for the storm. See that tree fell down in the road here. I think they start cutting it up already. Start cutting up already. So this soon clear. Almond tree. To report from where end though, but you know, I feel just stay in solidarity and prayers with my fellow Jamaicans on the west end. They did not fare so well from the storm at all. They did open all the tolls from before the storm, so if anybody wants to traverse the roadway, they can do so freely. So you just need to just be careful. Alright guys, we reached the shop. Not much to report. Look pretty much the way we leave it. Thank God. O'Neil?
Yes, sir.
What you doing here? The work now going on? Sir Ox, where you going with?
I just reached like about 2 minutes before you.
Oh.
A couple of hours, man. Because the same thing come back still. Come look on the water here and so you can't figure out.
Water?
That's one.
What it?
Well, we only I wonder because I feel cold generally, but
No man, I the water. Sit down. You come on with this. Well, no. Yeah. I threw the water. Feel the water?
yeah.
Uh-huh.
I feel like it drop and run back down there.
Uh-huh. Look like internet's still there.
People get a hit.
Yeah. I might have to stay dry. No concerns. No problems. Which is good.
Everything you want twist neck. Oh, you're not left. So I'm not going to
Oh.
Now I wake up with that side over there.
Oh.
Messed up my other side there.
Oh boy. Age, brother. Age.
Yes.
That's the like your spirit.
Age.
Age, man.
Age, man.
It's age. You're going like say you think you pass it. Or it can't catch you.
No, but I'm going to bed, wake up. You go to bed good.
Then you come out old people here say, Lord, my foot are hot, me and me no do nothing yesterday. It happen all the way. I can't get a word in or out. Nothing. Yeah, that. We can't get him. From
Because Steve, you get to him.
Daddy alone, no, Daddy down there. I say 2 hours and so them alright. One at town alright. No. One at town alright, so we just try. If we not hear nothing between now and maybe Friday morning, we just jump in a van and drive go down there. Alright guys, so we back in Portmore. The rain start fall. But all in all, not a bad visit. Velocity alright. My shop alright. My other friend shops are seemingly okay. Recently, them are so far goods are very fine. As we say, I'm more Western people and we really have needed for, so we're gonna make a decision around what we in terms of getting support and help. I'm waiting on my to get any word from my community. If anything, let us pop up Friday morning, buy some water and some stuff. Come in here, see if we can help out. Try this, let something like that. This power we see is, devastation. So let's try it when we can do. See how things work out. I try to reach out to them and see how we can get some response, get some information from them. But I get nothing yet. So I try so I can get in terms and get it. So back in Portmore, PFC line up again. Oh gosh. And everybody seems to be fine. Come on. See if we can help you guys ready. Check out some other places and we know we can stop if we get to go to. Just want to know say my father alright. So I'm really see if we can help. If I can also lend aid on the way down there, then I will.
try so again. But, I guess in the next video, you'll know if we made the drive or not. Alright, so guys, thanks for the support, thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys posted in terms of what we have, what find out, and how we can, let the two brothers, less fortunate brothers, and we know what we said. Alright, thanks again, guys.